When you sign up for Trafft, a booking website with the Trafft.com extension is automatically generated. After adding your employees and services and customizing your booking website, you have the option to use it as is or embed the Trafft booking form into your existing website. To embed the form, navigate to the Customize page. At the top of the General section, you'll find a code snippet that should be copied and pasted onto your website. This code integrates seamlessly into any website, regardless of the CMS or underlying code. In addition to embedding the main booking form for all your services, employees, and dates, Trafft also allows you to embed a booking form for specific appointments with predefined details. To utilize this feature, click the Share Booking button and select the Embed option. Edit only the fields you need, such as services, employees, locations, and date range, and click Next to generate an Embed iframe. If you choose not to customize these options, you will receive the iframe for the main booking form.